quickly show you how to make Windows 10 on Raspberry Pi run faster and how to overclock the CPU, as well as some tweaks and tips to make Windows 10 run faster to the point where you can use it as a daily PC. So let's get started. And by the way, if you haven't installed Windows 10 on your Raspberry Pi, if you want to, then please watch the video, link in the description below. Step 1. Overclocking. Let's overclock the CPU to make the Raspberry Pi faster by 5 times at 2 GHz. The performance without overclocking is very bad. x64 emulation doesn't work properly and makes the PC unusable because the CPU goes up to 100% and makes the mouse flicker. So let's fix this issue. The solution is to overclock the CPU by 5 times, which means we are going to overclock the CPU to 2 GHz. And sorry for the video quality because I was not able to record the screen while accessing the UEFI settings. Now press escape while booting to enter the UEFI settings. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to select options. Select the device manager option. Select Raspberry Pi configuration option. Select CPU configuration option. And set the configuration to max, which will overclock the CPU to 2 GHz. Now press the escape key until you get the notification to save the changes to press Y. At that time, press Y and hit enter. After saving the changes, press escape key until you reach the main menu. Now select the continue option. Now press enter to apply the changes. After saving all the settings, Raspberry Pi will automatically reboot itself. Now you can see the performance after overclocking. There is a dramatic change between overclocking and without overclocking. You can see the apps loading faster than ever, like Task Manager. The file manager and the default apps you get on Windows 10 launch very fast. Step 2. Increasing RAM. Increasing RAM helps Windows 10 run more efficiently and run more x64 emulated apps like Telegram without caring about RAM. The default RAM on Raspberry Pi is set to 3 gigs. Even if you have an 8 GB model, the Raspberry Pi on Windows 10 will show it as 3 gigs. To remove that limit, we have to change some settings in the UEFI. The solution is to remove RAM limit, by which you can unlock the full RAM memory chip built onto your Raspberry Pi by just simply changing a setting from the UEFI settings. Now press escape while booting to enter the UEFI settings. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to select options. Select the device manager option. Select Raspberry Pi configuration option. Select advanced configuration option. Now select limit RAM to 3 gigs and disable the option. Press the escape key until you reach the main menu and press Y if you are asked to save changes, and select continue from the main menu and press enter to apply the changes which we have saved just now. Okay, so that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. And yeah guys, please subscribe and like if you got the video helpful. And if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing. And also, if possible, please share the video, because from which I can get more subscribers and views, which makes me motivated to post new videos. Thank you.